51. A person who smokes a pack of cigarettes a day is doing the equivalent of drinking half a cup of tar a year. 52. Women blink about 2 times less often than men. 53. The structure of the human body contains only 4 minerals: apatite, aragonite, calcite, and cristobalite. 54. A passionate kiss causes the same chemical reactions in the brain that skydiving and firing a gun do. 55. Men are officially classified as dogs if their height is below 1.3 meters, whereas for women the measure is 1.2 meters. 56. Fingernails grow about 4 times faster than your toenails. People with blue eyes are more sensitive to pain than others. 58. Nerve impulses in the human body move at about 90 meters per second. 59. 100,000 chemical reactions occur in the human brain every second. 60. Everyone has dimples on their lower back, but on some people they are more pronounced than on others. They appear where the pelvis joins with the sacrum, so their appearance makes sense. 61. If one identical twins lack a certain tooth, the other twin will not have that tooth either. 62. The surface area of the human lung is approximately equal to the area of a tennis court. 63. During a person's lifetime, they spend about 2 weeks kissing. 64. The facial hair of a blonde-haired man grows faster than that of a man with dark hair. 65. Leukocytes in the human body live for 2 to 4 days and erythrocytes for 3 to 4 months. 66. The strongest muscle in the human body is the tongue. 67. The human heart is approximately equal in size to that of a person's fist. An adult's heart weighs 220 to 260 grams. 68. At birth, there are 14 billion cells in the human brain. This number does not increase throughout a person's lifetime. After 25 years, the number of the cells falls by 100,000 every day. About 70 cells die in the minute it takes you to read a page in a book. After 40 years, the decline of a brain accelerates sharply, and after 50 years, neurons shrink and the brain gets smaller. 69. At birth, a child's body is made up of around 300 bones, but an adult has just 206. 70. During a person's lifetime, the small intestine is about 2.5 meters. After they die, the muscles in the wall of their intestine relax and its length increases to 6 meters. 71. Your right lung can take in more air than your left. 72. An adult person performs around 23,000 inhalations and exhalations a day. 73. The smallest cells in a man's body are sperm cells. 74. There are about 40,000 bacteria in the human mouth. 75. Each of us has around 2,000 taste buds. 76. The human eye can distinguish 10 million different colors. 77. The chemical compound in the body which causes feelings of ecstasy is also contained in chocolate. 78. The human heart pumps blood at such pressure that it would be able to raise blood up to the 4th floor of a building. 79. A person burns more calories when they are asleep than when they watch TV. 80. Children grow faster in the spring. 81. Every year, more than 2 million left-handed people die because of the mistakes they make when they're using machines designed for the right-handed people. 82. It turns out that 1 man in every 300 is capable of satisfying themselves orally. 83. A person uses 17 muscles when they smile and 43 when they frown. 84. By the age of 60, most people lose half of their taste buds. 85. The rate at which a person's hair grows doubles during an airplane flight. 86. 1% of the people can see infrared light and 1% can see ultraviolet radiation. 87. If you were locked in a completely sealed room, You would not die due to a lack of air, but from carbon dioxide poisoning. 88. Statistically, only 1% out of 2 billion reaches the age of 160 years old. 89. On average, a person says 4,800 words in 24 hours. 90. The retinas inside the eye cover about 50 square millimeters and 137 million light-sensitive cells. 130 million are for black and white vision, and 7 million are for helping you see in color. 91. Our eyes remain the same size as they were at birth, but our nose and ear never stop growing. 92. In the morning, a person is about 8 millimeters taller than in the evening. 93. The muscles which help your eyes to focus complete around 100,000 movements a day. In order to make your leg muscles do the same amount of the movements, you would need to walk 80 kilometers. 94. A cuff amounts to an explosive charge of air which moves at speed up to 60 miles per hour. 95. According to German researchers, the risk of having heart attack is higher on Monday than on any other day of the week. 96. Bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. 97. It is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. 98. Ingrown toenails are hereditary. 99. A person would die quicker from a total lack of sleep than from hunger. Death would occur after 10 days without sleep, whereas from hunger it would take several weeks. 100. The average life expectancy is 576,000 million seconds. During this time, we pronounce on average around 123,205,750 words and have sex 4,239.